ติฏฐายนโรสปัญโยจิตตังปัญญัญจภาวยังอาตาปินิปโกภิกขุสุอิมังวิจเตเยจดันตินะมัตถุรัตนัตยัสสะ Respected Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha, the most valuable triple gems to verify the practice of all mendicants, new ordination, disciples of the Buddha. My deep veneration to the most senior monks, the teachers, the trainer, Venerable Thaurans, and the members, especially our Venerable Nigroda, Nepalese Mahasangha, and the most senior monk. And greeting to all mendicants and all our lay devotees also. Today is my honor to be here, sitting in front of you and give a short talk. The Dharma discussion regarding the new practice. You are from various types of societies. You from types of families. And you understand the outside world more than Buddhism. I think so. I am Bhikkhu Dhammasirī from USA. Actually, of course, I'm Cambodian American. I became a monk when I was a child, now turning to 28 years of my ordination. And I have my bachelor's and master in Buddhist philosophy from Sri Lanka, another master of science in psychology from USA, and also I'm writing my dissertation in psychology, and my topic is meditation and exploration with life changes through meditation. These modern perspectives for Western worlds, because the Western world, they always want to challenge with intelligence, wisdom, knowledge, with prajna or panya in Buddhism. So that's why should many monks from Buddhist monks, especially for Theravada Buddhist monk, written a book or dissertation with their academic system about meditation or Buddhist practice. So I'm here. Maybe I can talk with Bante Nikrodha, he will summarize part by part into Nepalese, and not long, maybe 30 minutes, and then you can have a question. Because I like question, then I'm sitting and talking alone. I just want you to interact with me. And what is your understanding? And what is your question regarding practice during this day? Now, from March 4th to March 8th, so 4 days for you. I think you face some difficulties. You face some challenges. Maybe your mind now fighting inside, and your body also. It is the natures of mind. The natures of mind. Our mind, the Buddha compare the mind to a fish. Have you heard it? Buddha compare our mind to the fish. I think you all heard that Buddha compared the mind to the monkey, because monkey never stop, right? Even he's sleeping, he will dreaming or acting something. But mind compared to fish. And what is the natures of fish? Where they are living? The fish living in the water, right? Water. Fish living in the water, the big lake or the big river or ocean or some as they like. And they like to travel in the water. They like to catch their food in the water. They like to breathe in the water. But when you catch the fish, like a fisherman catch the fish and throw out to the earth, outside of the water. So what fish will do? They will try to get back to the water, right? They will try to get back to the water. Our mind also the same. You are living in the family. You are living with your work. You are living with your society. Working, communicating, sometimes drinking, smoking, dancing, singing. You living with this situation. Seeing good form, hearing the desirable sound, tasting very desirable food, drinking. So this is your habit. Then 4 days you are here. You are here 4 days to practice, to take your mind in one place, to shut down your mind in one place. Practice meditation. Even walking, you walk slowly. Even eating, you have to eat mindfully. Robe dressing is different from other. Before here, back to last week, you can choose any shirt or any color, what you like color, many color in your body, and you have watch, you have ring, you have everything like you like. But now you have one color, only one color. Sometimes the young generation is so boring color. Only one color is so boring for them. When you sit with this practice, your mind will getting back your mind will not calm. It is challenging within yourself. That is the nature of mind. If you not sit, if you not practice, you will not know, right? You will not know. Somebody might think, oh, I don't mind. My mind is so calm. I'm so peaceful. I'm so peaceful. I'm so harmony. I don't need to go practice meditation or observing morality or going to listen to Dharma. So my mind is calm already. But they working, they traveling, they doing their job outside the world. They don't know, because maybe they think because they are intelligent, they are clever, they're easy to get back to their work easily. They think that they have already meditated their mind. They control their mind very well with their job, of course. But when you sit here, how many minutes that your mind is one-pointedness? Anybody can tell me how many minutes that you get your mind is calm and peaceful for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, even 1 minute? It is not easy. Very difficult, right? Very difficult, not easy. But if you not practice, if you not challenge with these difficulties, how can you get peaceful mind? You have to train. You have to train. Like the temple, they tame the elephant, they tame the horse, they tame a dog, they tame a parrot, even animal, they can tame to be peaceful, useful for the king work, for the government work, for anything that they like elephant, horse, dog, or some animal. They can tame very well. And our mind, it is human mind, right? And we think that, oh, we are human, we are great, we are intelligent, we are not compared to animal. But sometimes people cannot tame their mind. How we are below animal nature. Because when we said about taming mind, no nationality, mind, no ability, no appearance, no form, no gender. Mind is mind. Mind no gender. Mind no nationality. Mind doesn't have to classify to this. Mind is the same. Animal mind, human mind, devil mind, the same. Different is development, practice. And we take the birds, existence. Animal mind, they have their limitation. Deva mind, they have their limitation. Only human mind doesn't have limitation. You can develop your mind as much as you want until the maximum level of enlightenment. No beyond that, just only enlightenment. So this is my introduction. Maybe one day because Nigroda is long to cut translation, but I think he very good translation. Please, you have.